let the cans cook. Tonight in my kitchen, we're going to be making some chicken tortilla soup. This is going to be a nice, easy, quick meal. So we'll start with cutting up the corn tortillas. Cut those into small pieces, and then we'll just toss that with some olive oil and salt and pepper. You can also just use chips if you'd like. We'll bake those for about 15 to 18 minutes, and during that time, we'll be making our soup. We'll start by sauteing the onion, the jalapeno, and the cilantro, and then I'll add the canned tomatoes. We'll use the canned diced tomatoes. We do want to keep the sauce in there. You can drain a little bit out, but do drain the corn and the beans. So those will be going in with the tomatoes. And then we'll be putting in some chicken broth. We'll be using some shredded chicken from a rotisserie chicken. You can also just fry up a chicken breast and use that, just shred the chicken. I'll also be adding some cheese to make it a little bit thicker. And I'll be adding some extra cheese, some avocado, some sour cream, and some more cilantro at the end. All right, let's get started. Bon appetit!